Don't get nervous. You're fine. If you have to, you got 14 minutes. So if you have to stop and hide somewhere and just kind of regain yourself, don't stop in there though. Just go. Just go. No, yeah, I know they're still looking for us. They didn't see me jump in. I know, which means that he's playing on really. Uh, I'll clip it with Eclipse, or I'll go back manually. Don't stay out in the open, and watch your back too, because they're going to be looking for you. Either that, or hopefully they think we went back or kept going straight. Just go.